This is the Casio ae2000w. This watch has got quite a few functions. It has world time, 48 cities, 31 time zones, 24-hour stopwatch, 24-hour countdown timer, 5 alarms and an hourly time signal. Now I'm going to go through the functions and the setup. So let's have a look at the home screen. Let's have a look at the watch first. There's the bracelet, or the band I should say. Resin band, plastic buckle, plastic keeper. This watch is also 200 meters water resistant, and you've got buttons there with grips to that side, and you've got stainless steel back. And this watch has also got a 10-year battery life, which is excellent. This outer ring is actually stainless steel. I actually thought it was plastic, but that's not. It's stainless steel. You've got four screws there. Don't think they actually do anything. And let's look at the watch. Top left there, and this little window, you've got a seconds counter. So that counts up every 10 seconds. It should clear out now. There, it's cleared out. It counts up 1 bar every 10 seconds. There, that's 1 bar. And then next you've got the analog clock in digital format, if that makes sense. Then over here you have the, tells you whether the alarm's on, signal, or whether the watch is muted. And then you've got the hours, minutes, seconds, and the DST is on there because we're in daylight savings time at the moment. Then you have the date, the day and the month. And the next mode we have world time. So we can scroll through for the different cities, 48 cities on here. Or you can hold the button and fast scroll. Next we have the alarm. 5 alarms on this one. You go through 2, 3, 4, 5. And the hourly signal. And then we have stopwatch, or timer, sorry. And then the stopwatch. Back to home time. Now, if I go and show you the setup, so to set the time, press and hold the adjust button, and your seconds start to flash. And you can reset the seconds by pushing bottom right button. And to set the minutes, press the mode button. And your DST is on there. So you can turn that off by pressing bottom right button, which is button D. So you've got off or on. We'll leave it on. Next we have your home time. You can scroll through for your home time. Then we put it back to, you can go backwards as well. So you go back to London. Next we have the hours. Same again, you can go forwards, you can go backwards. Next minutes, forwards and backwards. And you got the option to set the 24-hour or 12-hour mode. It's 12-hour. I like to keep it in 24-hour mode or military time. Next we have the year. Same again. You can go backwards or forwards. And you got the date and the month. This is for the light duration, and it's set for 1.5 seconds, or you can set it for 3 seconds. I keep it on 1. And we're back to the time setting again. And when you've done that, you just press and hold the adjust. And you've also got the day of the week in there. And the day of the week automatically sets when you set the calendar and the year. So next we have world time. So now you can scroll through up to 48 cities, and you can set the DST, daylight savings time, by pressing and holding the adjust. DST is on there, and to switch it off you just press and hold the adjust. And the next mode is the alarm mode. That's the hourly time signal. So to switch on, you press and hold the adjust, and that'll sound on the hour every hour. So I'll switch that off. Then you got 5 alarms. Now you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So with the alarm, you just press and hold the adjust. Now you've got 1 time alarm on there. So let me just show the adjustment. You just do the same same as when you were setting the time. You can scroll through, or you can hold the button and it will fast scroll. And to set the minutes, press the adjust, and then you can set the minutes. Go backwards or forwards. And then set. You got the alarm there, which is on, and that will sound at the same time every day. Or when you press, it says 1 on, so that means it'll go off once, and that's it. So the next mode, timer mode, 24-hour countdown timer. To start, it's counting down from 24 hours there, and it counts down in 1/10 of a second, which is a bit strange. And you can stop it, and you can reset, and you can set it. Same again, press and hold, or you can scroll through, go backwards or forwards, and then you can press the mode button and go set your minutes. Same again, you can go forwards, you can go backwards, and press the adjust button to set. And it's counting back. And as you can see, the window at the top is counting backwards. And you can stop. And you can reset by pressing the adjust button. And the next mode is the stopwatch. So you can start. And now you see the window at the top is now swiping forwards. And you can stop. And you can reset. Now the dogs are going to have a fight. Or you can do a split time. Split time. And you can reset. And back to normal time. So, and if you press the bottom right button, which is button D, you've got 4 preset world times. So you can scroll through. That's Sydney, London, which is my home time, Wellington, Adelaide, and if you press the adjust button, press and hold, you can add whichever, you can change the world time, so you can put in whatever you want. So let's put that one. Press the adjust button, and that's how you change the world time settings. So you got 4 presets there. What else have we got? Oh, we got the light button, which is a single LED in the bottom left corner there. It works very well in the dark. It does work well in the dark. You can't see it now so well. I'll just try it with the light off. So it does work well in the dark. So yeah, quite an interesting little watch. And then you've got the window there at the top. It shows you what you've got on, whether the alarm's set, or the signal, or the mute. So the mute is on there at the moment. So if you press and hold button C, the mute switches off. And if you press and hold again, well, press and hold, and the mute comes on. Don't know if you saw that or no. I'll do that again. So just switch off. Mute is off. And on. And if you notice the animation at the top, when you scroll through the different modes, it does a sweeping action. There's a bit of animation there. So yeah, in the day of the week, automatically sets with when you set the month and the year and the date. And you've got your analog clock there, which always shows the home time. So yeah, so that's my quick look at the Casio ae2000w. Quite a nice looking watch. You've got the nice sort of a blue colour at the top there on these dials. Looks quite smart. I think that's it. Yeah, you got your world time, alarm, and you can see the dark window there doing the swiping action. It's quite neat. Yeah, and it's also got a 10-year battery life. So, yeah, so there it is. That's my, well, I'll put it on my wrist. You see it on my wrist. It's quite a big watch. It's very similar to the ae2000w. So I'll just put it on. So there it is on my wrist. It's not too thick. It's quite a smart watch. So yeah, so there it is. There's world time there at the top. And it's got so it tells you what the buttons do. Got the adjust, mode, like button, and search button. You know, Casio like to show, but tell you what each button does, what the watch has got. So there's an illuminator down there, 200 meters water resistant. There's Casio at the top, and 10-year battery at the top there. Yeah, so that's my quick review and function setup. So thanks for watching.